Silence is not emptiness. It is where you meet yourself. I don't need to be chosen to be worthy. I choose myself. I release the fear of being alone. I honor the strength it has given me. I am enough, without applause, without permission. I speak kindly to my soul. I treat myself with patience and respect. I trust my journey. I trust my timing. I trust who I am becoming. Love flows through me, and it begins with me. I am whole. I am grounded. I am deeply loved by God, by life, by myself.